Hello all, myself Shruti. Welcome to the videos of BioAid Solutions. So today I'll be explaining one more group of students who worked on the project isolation and characterization of plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. They are commonly called as PGPR. So bacteria that colonize plant roots and promote plant growth are referred to as plant growth promoting rhizobacteria, and they are highly diverse and act as biocontrol agents. The rhizophore or rhizosphere is a narrow zone of soil specifically influenced by the root system. This zone is very rich in nutrients when compared with the bulk soil due to accumulation of variety of plant exudates such as amino acids, sugar, which provide a rich source of energy and nutrients for bacteria. So this is reflected by a number of bacteria. They are found across the root of plants. Generally they are 10 to 100 times higher than that in the bulk soil. So the rhizosphere is populated by a diverse range of microorganisms, and the bacteria colonizing this habitat are called as rhizobacteria. The bacteria that reduce the incidence or severity of plant diseases are often referred to as biocontrol agents, whereas those that exhibit antagonistic activity towards a pathogen are defined as antagonists. So siderophores, bacteriocins, antibiotics production, these are all come under antagonistic activities. Non-pathogenic rhizobacteria have been shown to suppress disease by inducing a resistance mechanism in the plant. They are called as induced systemic resistance. They are also called ISR. So these new PGPRs will require a systematic strategy that is designed to fully utilize all these beneficial factors, applying the combinations of different mechanisms of action, allowing crop yields to be maintained or even increased while chemical treatments are reduced. So here there is a batch of students who isolated these rhizobacteria from different crop plant root material and soil which is adhered to the root material. So here Pooja will explain her experience and also the importance of the project what they conducted at BioAid Solutions.
Hi everyone, this is Talari Pooja. I have recently completed my internship work in BioAid Solutions situated in Bangalore. In BioAid Solutions has two labs, microbiology and molecular biology. I have done my project in microbiology lab under the guidance of Dr. Shruti Hesti ma'am. We have completed the project. She was a great mentor. Under her guidance, we have gained knowledge and experience during the completion of the work. My project is about microscopic biochemical and genetic characterization of plant growth promoting rhizophores from crop plants. Now I have to explain briefly about my project. Firstly, we have collect the crop plant, that is coffee plant, in vegetative stage with roots adhering soil. We have taken 4 samples, 3 samples from root, 3 samples from soil and 1 sample from root, that is endophytic and symbiotic bacteria. We have cultured the bacteria, that is plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. In this bacteria, the genera mainly include Pseudomonas, Bacillus, Xanthomonas, Serratia, Rhizobium, Enterobacter, etc. These are the main genera that include in rhizobacteria. So after culturing this bacteria, we have isolated the DNA using CTAP method, and after that amplified the gene, that is 16S RNA gene, using particular primers, and after that the PCR products run in the gel. After PCR, we sequencing the DNA to characterize and to know the growth factors of the bacteria. And after sequencing, we have using bioinformatic tools, that is blast server, and after that we construct the phylogenetic tree to know the evolutionary relationship between bacteria. This is an overview of my project. The main advantage to taking this work to know the plant growth promoting rhizobacteria and how it is useful for crop development. PGPR acts as biofertilizer and biocontrol agents. By using PGPR to minimize the chemical fertilizers and pesticides, PGPR is the excellent alternative to farmers to overcome the challenges in agriculture and also improve yield and productivity. PGPR acts the plants to absorb water, nutrients, improve root development and enzymatic activity. These are the main advantages of this plant growth promoting rhizobacteria. Yes, thank you.